Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you real quickly another plugin that I think would be really useful. It's called Tools on a Surface. You can find it in the extension store. It is a Fredo plugin. So just type in Tools on a Surface. This is where you're going to find it. And remember, you got to have that Fredo library first before you can download these and use them. But here's how it works. So yeah, if we have like a grade, or we've made some some slopes or something like that, you know how hard it is to draw and anything like that. So wanted to show you how this can work. So you select that tool here, the line tool, find your point, and then you can actually just draw a straight line right across and make your separations. So you can see how that works pretty nicely. But you can do it with other things: rectangles, circles, an arc tool. So let's say you have like a planting bed on a kind of a goofy hill or something like that. You can just grab each point, do it like you would do a normal arc, and then you can see how it separates everything. So uh, forgot to mention this one, but yeah, this is actually a really good way to draw on surfaces that are just wacky. So hopefully this helps. I think there might be some more buttons on here that you can kind of test out and play with, but this should be a really good tool, and I would definitely recommend using it, especially if you're using grades.